Every great day starts with simplicity. And coffee. Help your field focus on what truly matters. Building connections and growing their business. No sticky notes required. From product news to campaign updates, everything your field needs is just a tap away. No searching, no guesswork, just clarity. Ensure your field takes the right action at the right time, turning opportunities into results. It's one of the reasons over 15 million distributors trust us to help them grow their businesses. Give your field the opportunity for personal growth with bite-sized training that fits seamlessly into their day. Fun and engaging incentives and recognition keep your field engaged and striving for success. Climbing the leaderboard or unlocking rewards turns every milestone into a celebration. Give your leaders the tools to track their team's progress, celebrate top performers, and offer targeted support. Prioritizing their team's success has never been this simple. In the end, direct selling success thrives on authentic connections and a strong community. Bring your distributors together to collaborate, share, and grow. One vibrant moment at a time. When your field has the right tools, they don't just work smarter. They thrive with simplicity. And let's be honest, thriving looks great on them.